Listen and practice. Listen and practice. If you have a problem with me, call me. If you don't have my number, then that means you don't know me well enough to have a problem. If it makes you happy, it doesn't have to make sense to others. Haters say you've changed. Friends say they're proud. Give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world. Your opinion of me has nothing to do with me. That is your business, not mine. Let them hate. Just make sure they spell your name right. I will either find a way or make one. Throw me to the wolves and I'll return leading the pack. Spoil me with loyalty. I can finance myself. If your path demands you to walk through hell, walk as if you own the place. I am coming for everything they say I couldn't have. I was raised to hustle like a man because I was told never to depend on one. Her courage was her crown and she wore it like a queen. They hate me because it's easier than beating me. The less you talk, the more people think about your words. Stay humble but stay hungry. You have dreams to chase, goals to accomplish and business to handle. Smile, your haters are watching. Rule number 1 of life. Do what makes you happy. Confidence is the best outfit. People will talk behind your back. Make sure to give them an interesting topic. Just because some people are fueled by drama doesn't mean you have to attend the performance. I never make the same mistake twice. I make it like 5 or 6 times, just to be sure. I thought I was in a bad mood, but it's been a few years, so I guess this is who I am now. Yes, I know there is a real special place in hell for me. It is called a throne. Dear haters, I couldn't help but notice that awesome ends with me and ugly starts with you. Everything I like is either expensive, illegal, or won't text me back. You know you won an argument when the other person responds, whatever. Brains are awesome. I wish everybody had one. Sometimes I just want someone to hug me and say, I know it's hard, but you'll be okay. Here's a coffee and $1 million. It may look like I'm doing nothing, but in my head I'm quite busy. Your secrets are safe with me. I wasn't even listening. Don't give me your attitude, unless you want mine. My life, my rules, so keep your nose out of my business. Confidence is not, they will like me. Confidence is, I'll be fine if they don't. Perfection is not a skill, it is an attitude. My secret talent is getting tired without doing anything. I hate it when you have to be nice to something you really want to throw a brick at. Treat me like a joke and I'll leave you like it's funny. A wise girl knows her limits, a smart girl knows that she has none. My life is like open book, but no one is allowed to read it. A girl should be 2 things, classy and fabulous. Yesterday I really wanted tacos. Now I'm eating tacos. Follow your dreams. When life shuts a door, open it again. It's a door. That's how they work.